Are you having a tough time adding or removing an email account from your iPhone? Whether you're struggling to set up a new account or cannot seem to delete an existing one, don't worry. This guide is here to help you troubleshoot and fix those pesky issues. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your email up and running smoothly again. Solution 1. Turn off restrictions. Start by opening Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn off this feature. Solution 2. Next, look for the Mail app or swipe up to close it. After that, open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Mail app in the list on your iPhone. After that, tap on Offload app. Then tap Offload app again to confirm. Now tap on Reinstall app. Finally, restart your iPhone and after that, reopen the Mail app and give it another try. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to your email provider or Apple support for further assistance. Happy emailing!